Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Volume 12, which was the series for June. And I am woefully behind, sorry to say. So this is where we are now. I am working my way through it. I'm on day 15, so at least I'm kind of at that halfway mark. Yikes. All right, so I am using a kit from July 2022 from the Scrap Room, and it was all Jen Hadfield, Live and Let Grow. I do not have much of it left at all. I've got pieces and scraps. I do have one full-size sheet of cardstock, so that is enough at least for a background, thank goodness, right? Let me go ahead and just get my background, and it is called Vanilla. It's a nice textured cardstock though. Very nice. Okay, we have that. I am going to scrapbook this picture of my son. This was when he was at college, and this is the day he met baby Mason. Mason was like 8 weeks old there. Isn't baby Mason so cute? So he was a cute little heavy little bowling ball. So I have these papers, right? I have got this die cut. I have got some stickers with wordy bits. I used all of the label stickers, so I just have kind of like wood grain looking stickers. I've got a couple of these stickers. Don't know how that's going to work. And I have some foamies. So don't have a whole lot. I'm going to, oh no, I almost lost my coffee cup. So with that in mind, let me show you the sketch. It's for day 15, created by, I can't pronounce her last name, Rebecca Verbanek, maybe? I don't know, kind of like that. So we've got a background. She has 3 photos. I'll have the one. And then there's 4 squares kind of on the diagonal with some embellishment titles. I'm sorry, embellishment clusters tucked in. Perfect. So let's see. Since I don't have a lot, let's see. This may end up being, especially for me, almost monochromatic. I've got a lot of this piece. And let's see. And I want to turn them, I can't turn them into like cut them like this and turn them into squares like that because the hello is going to be on the wonk. Unless we want them on the wonk. I don't know. This piece I'd really like to use. Let me see how wide this one is. And what's on the back? Oh, the cards. That's kind of a problem. And then this is, oh, the same width. Okay. So this is cut right at about 3.5. All right, so we're gonna make 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares to start. And we're gonna see what we do from there because I don't have a lot. So I have 3.5. Let's do this now. Let's see, I'm gonna do 3.5 again with this gorgeous tone. What's on the back of this? Oh, perfect. So I can use that for other stuff. Why not? 3.5 and get one more fab 3.5, right? Oh, that was a 3. I need a 3.5. Yikes, that was almost an issue. Okay, we go like that. Perfect. So I'm getting somewhere, right? I don't think any of these is going to get me far enough. Nope. All right, so those are all itty bitty little scraps. Aren't going to let me do any more 3.5 inch squares. So that leaves me with this handy dandy one. So I'm gonna just go with 3.5 and it can be on its little sideways wonk and be cute. So now there are like 4 squares hanging out in her photo or in our inspiration piece. I feel like I should do black lines around it too, just because I do not have hardly anything to use. I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna go like that. And then I'm gonna go like that. Or I kind of feel like I should cut one out where we can read it. All right, I'm gonna do that in a second. And then, oh guys, I kind of like the way this is going. I'm gonna have this photo of my son. Cute. And then, I mean, I can do like double whatevers, but I do like the way this is looking. So let me get a little skinny Sharpie. I'm gonna do just a couple messy lines around my pieces as well as my border. I think that's gonna give me a little something extra to work with. And you know what, guys? I can actually do this if I want. Do I want? I think so. I think that's kind of fun. Okay, no problemo. Or, you know what I could do? I have new plan. New plan. I have that. I have this, right? I'm going to map my photo in this paper. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, perfect. Phew, I have that going. I'm wondering, do I want the top and bottom to have, no, it's so tone on tone. Okay, let me do my messy lines around it. I'm going to map my photo in that. I'll come back and we're going to start getting some things popped down. So I've got these pieces on, and so far I'm trying to deal with only a little bit of pattern. Yes, I know, to me this is a little bit of pattern. I went ahead from the cut apart sheet, the opposite side of this one, and I cut out a couple really cute little bits that I thought would be really great for clusters. Wherever I'm going to put them, I don't know. I liked them. Now, let's see what we might have for a title. Let's celebrate you. You are my happy. Let's get creative won't work. You are getting great and you. This is where I want to be. That is fabulous. I'm going to use this You Are My Happy for my title, even though it does not really have color. And that's supposed to hit right about here. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop it down. Pop, pop, pop. So we've got tone on tone on tone. Trying to deal with it. It's going to be fine. Let me go ahead and pop up some of this I Believe in You bit so that we have shadow, because I'm going to just have to be happy with getting a bit of shadow in things. So I have that, and then I'm going to have another cluster, I think right here. So pretty much just around the photo. All right, we're gonna do it that way. Okay, the rest of these, I mean, there's really great like card sentiments in here, which I do love. So from here, we've got these stickers. Got this hello. Hello, how about hello, every day I love you? That would be cute. We can do that, and that's gonna bring in a little bit of pretty gold, which I like. And we'll pop that up. Okay, we've got a little cute dragonfly with the same gold finish to give us a little something something. Guys, I love it when you start with a kit that's got hardly anything. There's gold in this one, and then this one. So that's perfect. I like when you start with a kit, right, that has so little in it and you start using it and it totally works. I like this pink and the blue. I'm gonna bring it across here because those colors are in there because we don't have a whole lot of anything to work with. So, I mean, of course, I have tons of stuff in my stash, but I'm just challenging myself a tiny bit because we did go out to eat when we had baby Mason with us. So I figured that's gonna work. I'm going to just go ahead and put these cups on a tiny bit of an angle so they're not just straight across. It's giving me a little something extra to work with is what we're doing there. So I'm going to glue them together with a little bit of dimension. See, aren't they cute like that? And that's going to help give me a little something extra in my title block. Love that. Guys, right now with the 3, I'm pretty happy. The next thing I have, the last thing I have are some wordy bits. Do we need anything else in a plain tan? No, we do not. But that's what we have. So I'm going to do Oh Happy Day as part of my title cluster. I have Oh Happy Day. I have got, oh, Best Friends, because, you know, it's a puppy. Bulking it out with some tone on tone. That's okay. And then Good Story, Grateful Adventures, Super Remember is really cute too. All right, so we've got a nice little amount of bulked out title cluster. So that's pretty cool. Able to get another layout out of this. So I would be totally good with this. But let's start working on our little bingo board. Multi-photo. Did not happen. Stars. Maybe. So for stars, let me see what we might have in our wood veneer. I don't think these colors are going to work. I do have the acrylic stars. Well, let's see what's in this bin first because, you know, I'm supposed to, according to the rules I gave myself. Rules are important, I tell you. Okay, I don't think, wait, let's see about these. Oh, the pink, maybe the pink. Hold on. Hold on. There's something hanging out. These were from, oh gosh, these are from Color Cast Studio. There are, you know what? These pinks will work. These pinks are going to work for some stars. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Do I have enough to have, like, I do. I have enough to do big enough clusters. And that yellow is close enough to that. Totally scoring. Oh no, let me have enough. I want to do at least have enough yellow. Maybe if I use that geotag, because I'd have the 3 acrylic pieces. Okay, I think that's gonna work because this is massive. Do I want to bring in this big giant thing? I mean, I don't really have anything else going on. Now, I'm feeling the geotag just a little bit more for that cluster. Okay, so I've got stars. Stars have worked. Stickers. Actually, this piece was a sticker, so that actually worked. Enamel dots. Let me grab some of them. Let me put these pieces back in. That totally worked, guys, just now. Woo! Enamel dots. Let's see if I have any in this little bit. I mean, I have a ton of enamel dots. I just am trying to use, you know what? I'm going to use up these black ones because I have those black lines. So that's going to bring that around. Let me pop these little pieces. Well, let me look a little bit more. Fussy cutting, I did that with this piece and this piece. No pattern paper is not a thing. Wood veneer. I did just have that out. And let me see. I did see on my last layout, I did have a couple of these wood veneer pieces. So maybe I can do that. And that can be another star for that. Do I have any more stars? I have all kinds of cute little hearts. Okay. I can bring this wood veneer piece. Ooh, eating, enjoying. Look at this, guys. Ha ha. We've got a tab. That will work. Don't have any more. You know what? I'm going to just take these 2 away because no, I can't. I've got that wood veneer. I'm going to bring in this one for a star, the 3rd star over here. And then, how do I want to do that? Because I really love that. I have the wood. Do I want to put it right there, like tone on tone? Yes. Okay. That does the wood veneer. Circles. Ooh, I'm supposed to be looking to see if I can get any of my Flair in here. And I do have some doggy Flair. Give me a second. I need to go. I found some doggy Flair. The other Flair in the kit did not work, but this definitely does. And it reads, you, me, and the dogs. I have this one from a cute little office set. And it reads, noted. And then finally, I have this cute little pink heart, which I thought would be adorable. We're going to bring just a little pink down there. So Flair from 3 different sets from Scrappin Happy Studio. Perfect. Pre-made title I used right here. I don't have a rainbow. Did not use a cut file, stamping, not monochromatic, florals. Does a leafy thing count as a floral? I'll let you guys decide. And then foam. This is on foam. Ta-da! So guys, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to get some enamel dots on here, maybe a little bit of splatty bits with my favorite color splash paint. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab my vintage, so vintage. No, this isn't the vintage one. I'm going to grab some Jen Hadfield Gold Mist. Do I want to do that? No. I'm going to grab my gold color splash as well. Get some splatty bits on here and I'll show you my finished layout. All right, y'all, my layout is done. My splatty bits are not dry yet, so you just have to bear with me for a moment. And I still have to glue down that star. I picked it up and it started sliding around, but with what I started with for this kit, I cannot be any happier. Added just a couple of my little goodies, including enamel dots, Flair, acrylics, and wood veneer. So that's what I have today. I will have links down below. And I will also, have still shots to follow, guys. I was just getting a little bit of glue to pop right on. Do I want to put it right here or right here? I think right here, tone on tone. All right, guys, that's what I have. I will have still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.